You're not addicted to video games. You're addicted to progress. Think about it. Leveling up, unlocking skins, climbing ranked, watching that XP bar slowly fill up. It feels productive, doesn't it? You sit there for hours grinding, improving, optimizing your loadout, learning the meta. And while you're in it, it feels like you're building something. But then you close the game, and suddenly it's gone. That weird empty feeling hits. Like you achieved something, but also nothing at the same time. I know that feeling because I lived in it. I love video games. I grew up playing them. And at one point in university, I was easily clocking 8 to 10 hours a day, grinding ranked, chasing achievements, trying to get just a little bit better every session. And the crazy part? It didn't feel like a waste of time. Because every time I played, I could see progress. A higher rank, a new badge, better stats, proof that I was improving. Games are brilliant at this. They give you visible progress. Real life doesn't. Real life progress is slow. It's invisible. It doesn't pop up on your screen with a shiny animation and victory music. So of course I kept choosing the world where I could see myself getting better. Then one day I asked myself a simple question. What if I'm not addicted to games? What if I'm addicted to progress? That question changed everything. Because if progress was the real drug, then the solution wasn't quitting games. The solution was building a better progress bar. That's when I found coding. At first, I was terrible, complete beginner, didn't understand half the errors on my screen, felt like I was getting destroyed by the tutorial level. But something felt familiar. There was a skill gap, there was a meta, there were communities arguing about the best build, except now it was frameworks instead of weapons. And when I solved my first bug, it felt like beating a boss. When I finished my first small project, it felt like completing a campaign. When I pushed code and saw those green squares on GitHub, that was my new XP bar. The difference was powerful. In games, progress stays in the game. In coding, progress stays with you. Your brain doesn't actually care whether the XP is virtual or real. It just wants to feel growth. And once I realized that, I stopped trying to force myself to be productive. I stopped coding for jobs. I stopped coding to impress anyone. I stopped thinking about FANG interviews and salary numbers. I just treated coding like a game. Side quests, experimenting, trying weird ideas, optimizing things nobody asked me to optimize. Grinding, but guilt-free. And here's the weird part. When you remove pressure and just focus on progress, you naturally improve faster. Because now you're not escaping your life, you're building it. I don't hate gaming. I still keep up with it. I still watch streamers. I still talk to my friends about new releases, but I changed what I grind. And that made all the difference. So if you feel addicted to video games, maybe you're not broken. Maybe you're just wired for growth. You don't need less ambition. You just need a progress bar that actually matters.